Attention EV enthusiasts, your ultimate electric vehicle companion is here. Meet EV Morocco. At EV Morocco, we cater to all your electric vehicle needs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your EV journey, our website offers comprehensive information and resources. Explore a wide range of electric vehicles from sleek sedans to sporty SUVs. EV Morocco provides detailed specs, pricing and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Stay up to date with the latest EV news, new model releases and cutting-edge tech advancements through our informative articles and blog posts. And that's not all. EV Morocco supports your EV ownership journey with resources like charging station locators and maintenance tips. Our expert team ensures you have the best content at your fingertips, making your transition to electric vehicles seamless. So what are you waiting for? Visit EV Morocco today and discover the world of electric vehicles like never before. Start your journey towards a greener and more sustainable future with us. EV Morocco, your ultimate electric vehicle companion.
Visit our website ev1.ma and subscribe to our channels.